Today we are making pasta. Yes, pasta. Yeah. Do you always have a sticky pasta? Then come over here, come and learn a different method of making a very yummy and delicious pasta. All you need is few ingredients, like I have mine here: crayfish, atarugu, onion, tomato paste, and seasoning. I also have seasoning, salt, groundnut oil. With these few ingredients, you are good to go. Today I'll be using tomato paste, just 3 sachets, and dry fish. This is dried catfish. So at this point, I will have to reduce the size of the pasta. As you can see, just a sizable size, not too short, not too long. Then go back to my pot, put a water into an empty pot, cover and start, allow it to boil. Then come back and get my ingredients prepared. I've blended the pepper and the crayfish, as you can see, inside the plate. Then arrange my tomato paste in a plate. I've chopped the onion, washed the fish I'll be using, and of course the seasoning is already set aside. I've already showed you this curry powder that I'll be using. Then this is the vegetable oil I'll be using, just small quantity from this. At this point, as you can see, the water is already boiling. Then I will add the pasta into the boiling water. Yes, like I'm doing now. Yeah. I will allow it to boil. Please, have you subscribed to this channel? What are you waiting for? Please now subscribe. Come back after some time to check on the pasta. As you can see, it is ready. It is already parboiled. I will have to wash it at this point. Yes, it is parboiled. I'll wash it. Though sorry, I didn't show when I was washing. So I'll get back to the pot to add, and this is an empty pot. I'm adding the vegetable oil, just little quantity. Add quantity depending on the quantity of the pasta you are making. I've added onion to it, as you can see. Then I'll add the tomato paste into it and stir. Yeah, I'm stirring so that it doesn't get burnt underneath. I will stir at intervals to prevent it from burning underneath. Come back after like 5 minutes. You keep stirring, then add water to it. After which I will add grounded pepper and fresh pepper. You know, I blended the two together. Then I will add salt. Just add salt depending on the quantity of pasta you are making. Make sure you test for salt so that it will not be salty. Add seasoning. Like I told you earlier, I used only one seasoning for it. At this point, I'm adding the curry powder into the pot. Then I'll add dry fish. This is the dry fish. I told you I'll be using dry fish for this pasta, so I'm adding dry fish at this point. I will stir and allow it to boil. After 5 minutes, just come back to check on it, stir, and get the chief host ready. That's the pasta. Now I'm introducing the pasta into the pot, as you can see. I will stir just to mix it very well. Hello, if you have seen this video till this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, okay? Support us, support me by subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Thanks for your support, thanks for watching. I really appreciate, love you. So I'm stirring just to mix everything well. Then I will cover. Come back after 4 minutes and my pasta is good to go. As you can see, it is good to go. Get your plate ready. Where is that fork? Get everything ready. It is ready. It is ready. Are you ready with your cool drink? Like I say, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Your subscription really matters to us. Subscription is free, but it means a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Love you all.